guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are in California, sunny San Diego to be exact, and I want to give you a peek at the pool area here at the Town and Country Resort. I've got some videos that will share with you the different room styles and some other features of the property, but this pool area is fantastic and would make it the perfect family vacation destination. So we're going to go in here and take a peek. I'm telling you, the family is going to love this destination. So we're going to go into the gated pool area right here. It is huge. There are 3 different pool areas, perfect for all ages. You can see the big water slide area right here. So good. And then there are restaurants, a sports bar, coffee shops, fine dining. You're going to have a little bit of everything. And then this pool area that I'm telling you about is massive. We're going to walk around the whole thing, but you'll see, again, the water slide area right here. So good. I feel like you could come to San Diego, get to this resort, and this could be your whole vacation, or you could also go off property for other things. But really, the Town and Country Resort feels like a total getaway. You guys, I'm telling you, this place is a total vibe. You take that mid-century modern decor and renovation, and it just has a kind of retro feel to it, a lot of vintage touches and whatnot. And they've really thought of everything. Like, look at this little wading pool area. Perfect for families with littles. You guys, this is just an incredible property, and it's crazy how close it is to the San Diego airport. And it has everything you need for some R&R and just a perfect family getaway. They also have a really great conference, convention type center set up, lots of meeting rooms, things like that. So I do see that it would also be great for that. But honestly, when I was here, I just felt like, wow, this is a place my family would love. And this is why you work hard for those vacations, because can you just imagine sitting out here and taking it all in? The sunrises, sunsets, everything just really beautiful. And this property is really special in the evening. And I'm going to show you that in just a second, give you a little peek at what it looks like from a balcony room at night here. But overall, you guys, put this one on your bucket list. I have all the details down below. I really think that the Town and Country Resort in San Diego just might be your next best vacation. Okay, let's go outside the pool area here real quick, and I'll show you a few other features about this main property area. And then don't forget to watch my other videos where I do show you a lot more of the property and 2 different room style video tours where you can get a look at what you might be booking when you choose this for your vacation getaway. And I personally feel like when you're traveling with family, there are so many different things you need to look for to make those vacations work for everybody in the family. This one seems to have all of those things to me. Plus, you're in San Diego, so there are a lot of things to do and see here. But if you end up staying on the resort property, everybody's going to have everything that they need to have a great time. Just so well done. And of course, they've renovated this property with so many unique touches that I really, really think you're gonna love. It's super, super groovy here. And that's just kind of the icing on the cake. This property just is a vibe. It has a really, really great vibe to it. So again, make sure to check out those other room tour videos, because that'll kind of bring it all together for you. And then I'm gonna come out here and show you what it looks like off of one of the room patios. Again, those full room tours are on my channel as well. I will link to them below, but look at this. Can you imagine your family out here on this patio balcony in the mornings, in the evening, out there in the pool? Just such a complete package. And I just really think it's a place you're gonna love. Look at the view. Crazy to me. It's just incredible. Again, I will include all of the details down below. Add this one to your family travel bucket list, because it's a great getaway destination, and I mean, you cannot beat this incredible view. One more look at what this view looks like at night. Amazing. The sun rises in the morning when that sun's coming up. Beautiful. The evenings, beautiful. Just as I mentioned, kind of has a little bit of everything. Great dining options. So good. So add this one to your list. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, all the links and details will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.